This is my 1992 Polaris Trail Bus 250. In the process of rebuilding it. I have my cylinder down there with the head. I have the piston and the wrist pin bearing and the wrist pin here. Replacing it because it has low compression and piston's looking very worn out. It's even got a little bit of scoring right here. Not that bad, but still should replace it. This thing hasn't been rebuilt since the day it was bought, so you can tell it had a lot of wear on it. Rag here, take that off. Keep dirt from getting in there, but the reason why it's making that noise is because the engine's not held up properly. It's not mounted right. That part that mounts right up here mounts to the cylinder, but there is hardly any side-to-side play. Zero up and down play, which is good. Connecting rod looks alright. Crank looks clean. All that looks clean in there. The wrist pin and the bearing a little bit look like they overheated. Not too bad, but replacing wrist pin and the wrist pin bearing as well because it comes with the kit. Forgot to show you the rings. They don't look too bad, but keep it as a spare just in case. Go over here to the cylinder. Doesn't look too bad. Does have a little bit of score marks in it, but I'm gonna cross hatch it, make it nice and clean, take it to the shop and have it cleaned out in a parts washer. Pop the head off here. Gasket's still stuck to it. I'm gonna have to take that off. Bought a new gasket set as well. Head gasket's pretty stuck on there, so I'm gonna have to scrape it off and then clean the carbon out from the dome in there and change the plug. Be a smart idea. Cylinder doesn't look that bad. It has a little bit of scoring, but pull this out. Let me look at it in the light. That's your exhaust side. There's a little bit there. Don't mind the dirt that's in there. A little scratched, but not that bad. Like I said, put some cross hatching in it and it should be alright to go. I'm not going to bore it out oversized. I'm not going to go through all that trouble. But you can see where it had an exhaust leak a little bit right there because these two nuts came loose that hold the bracket on. They came loose. Tightened them up right before I rebuilt it and then decided, hey, might as well just rebuild it. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it up. Transfer ports look nice and clean. Very nice. I don't know if this is the type that you could pop this sleeve out and just buy a new sleeve, or if I'd have to bore it out. I don't know. It'd be pretty neat if I could do that, but I don't think I can. But oh well. Just gonna do it the way it is. Base gasket still on here. Peel that off. It's made out of plastic or something. Surprising. This might actually be reusable, but I'm not going to reuse it because I have new gaskets coming. Yeah, I do think that is plastic. Some type of material. Graphite or something, but you see it's pretty clean. It's not that bad. Right. Bead blast this part a little bit. Clean it out. I take that off then. Looks alright. The oil injection line is a little hard, so we're gonna have to replace that. The lines. Fuel lines I'm probably gonna redo too, but I'm gonna play it by ear. Probably gonna take me a couple weeks to do. Yeah, lots of parts were taken off of this machine. It's very hard to do, but we got it. Carburetor. Basic slide type carb. It's pretty cool. Works as should. No need to rebuild the carb because it was running pretty good before, so. Oil injection line. Trying to think where that is. Where did that go? See if I can find it. Because I kind of ripped it off. Oh, right here. There it is. Right here. Yeah, it's a little stiff. As you can see, it's actually twisting down in the bottom there too. So that should be replaced. I don't know about the pump, if that's the pump. I don't think it needs to be replaced, but it does look like we have a bit of leaking because I had it off. But it seems to be alright. Crank bearings are good still. Nothing wrong with them. That's just the clutch banging on that. Yep. Show you all the parts that are taken off of it. Actually, I had to take the tank off. It's pretty hard to do because the fuel petcock knob went right through here, and I had to take the petcock off from the bottom and then just pull that out. I actually would have had to take this off, but I just forced the tank out. Just going to be kind of hard to put back in. But yeah, might as well wipe the frame down and stuff like that while I'm at it. Brakes don't work right. The one bleeder nozzle broke off when I was trying to bleed them, but oh well. I have a feeling the calipers are shot too, but that's not a big deal. Just replace them. The back brakes work good. Yeah, to take front plastic off, which has the headlight on it. Low beam does not work on this headlight. Airbox, other part to the airbox, gas tank cover, and the roll cage bar on the front is taken off of it, but tires aren't too bad. Ran perfectly fine, but figured it was time to rebuild it. The piston's a little messed up. Not too bad, but yeah, so I'll keep you updated on this one. I'm gonna make another video of me putting it back together, possibly, but yeah, I'll definitely make a video for first start of the new rebuild and breaking it in and using it a bit, but yeah, I'll see you next time.